What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having an absolutely blessed day today. So I wanted to first off apologize. I haven't posted really any videos in quite a few weeks now. I've been tied up. Me and my wife went out to Las Vegas for our anniversary, and I was gone about 8 or 9 days total, so didn't do any riding or anything during that time, doing any videos really. I did post a few little videos, and I got one that I'm working on. We did go out to the Mojave Desert and do some riding out there on side-by-sides, and so I am working on that video, trying to put it together, but really just been really busy with work and life and everything else, so just haven't had a lot of chance to go do a whole lot of riding and content. But what I did want to ask everybody about was, so I am a concealed carry carrier, so I've got the permit and I've been carrying for years, and really what I'm curious about is how do you guys carry while you're riding on your bikes? I know that they've got little holsters and things you can put in, like your saddlebag and things like that, but and you can do that, and I've thought about that, but I really don't think that is for me. I typically carry just off my right hip, or I sometimes will carry appendix. I've actually ordered me a new appendix holster that's made for appendix carry. Get on the interstate here. So it's made for appendix carry, and anyway, just make a long story short, it's not, carrying appendix on the motorcycle is not as comfortable. So I've thought about getting me a vest. Matter of fact, I'm headed over to my Harley dealership now just to see what kind of vest that they have, things like that. I did buy a vest that I really liked. It was by First Manufacturing, and it was a concealed carry vest, and I liked it. I ordered it in the size that I measured, and it was a little bit, I would say, snug to my liking, just because I could wear it with a t-shirt and all, but if I wanted to put something, if I wanted to put it over a hoodie or a thicker shirt or a jacket, lighter jacket or something to ride in, it just would not be it just would not be as comfortable. So my son ended up, it fit him perfect, and I ended up letting him get it from me. Of course, he paid me for it, of course, but I let him keep it, and he loves it. So I think if I went up a size, it would be just right for me. So I'm considering that, but I'm going to ride over to the Harley dealership here in a few minutes. That's where I'm headed now, and see what they have up there. Again, I don't think I'll buy one of the Harley ones, just because I think they're overpriced, just because it says Harley on it. But I am curious about what you guys think, and how you carry. So if y'all would post in the comments down below how you guys typically carry, and that would be very beneficial to me. I'm actually carrying right now, I've got my jeans and a t-shirt on, and I'm actually I'm carrying off my right hip. And the way my bike rides and all, this bike, it doesn't want to blow my shirt up or anything, so I'm not worried about somebody seeing it going down the road. But anyway, again, if you guys could post in the comments down below how you guys carry, for those of you that do, and what is the best to be able to pull your weapon in case you got into the position that you may need it. So anyway, I appreciate it, guys. I hope everyone has an absolutely blessed day, and if it's your first time to the channel, guys, please check out the other content. If it's content that you guys like, please go ahead and consider subscribing. That would definitely help out the channel. And for you returning viewers and subscribers, hey guys, I appreciate y'all so much, and hope everyone has a blessed day.